Andy, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Today I'm looking for these all the cactus plants in Arizona. Look how beautiful they are. They are all cactus mostly. They grow in the hot weather, very hot weather. They survive these plants, like So it's good. Like they are trying to keep it greenery everywhere. So all these plants, they survive the hot weather, really hot weather. hmm And these are like uh, what they call it, growing now. uh-huh. Yeah, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of the nature. Nature has its own ways. Like it's cloudy today. Yeah, yeah. So lots of cactus plants here, lots of cacti. And they survive all this hot weather. hmm Yeah, they try to keep green as much as they can. Uh, Look at the sky. Yeah, yeah. That's the Arizona Phoenix. Beautiful place in the winter time.